everybody, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori, and today I was going to show you, what my cats got for Christmas. I don't have children to show you, so I'm going to show you what I got, and my family bought my cats for Christmas. Oh, and here's Luna Dog. Come here. Come here. We've got company today. This is Luna. She's my niece Sarah's dog. Quit. And she's visiting us this weekend. And the cats are her best friends. Say hi. Okay. Whoa. We're not best friends. Okay. It's okay. We're a little jealous of lap time. No. Okay. What did we get? The boys got this fun little toy. It has catnip in it, of course, so they can play with that. And they like to chase it around the house. Come here, Alex. Sarah got them this crinkle bag. And then it has a hangy dealy in the side, and it stays open so they can get in it. I put catnip in it. And this, I don't know the name of the lady, but all the money raised for the proceeds from these toys that she got goes to Cat Rescue, and they actually support the Cat Rescue that I adopted Alex through here in Columbus. So that makes me excited, and they'll love it. It's crinkly. It's a cat toy, you know. My mom's friend sent us this, and if I remember, I'll insert a video of Wellington playing with it. You put treats in here. And then you put the balls on top. And then they, by they I mean Wellington. Alex hasn't figured it out yet. He puts his little nose and he knocks the ball over to get to the treat. And it's wood. This is really nice. I think Flippo is the company. It doesn't say, but I think it's Flippo. So the boys got that this year. Sarah also got them a 2-pack of these crinkle balls with the feather. Alex loves to chase things around the house. And, oh, I bought them a 3-pack of these balls with the bells in the middle. These are the type that Alex prefers. He carries them around in his mouth. Whatever. So he got a new pack of these, and they have a little ball in the middle. They got their tree that you saw that I've kind of decked out a little bit. They're still not sure about it, but I'm just oops, sorry, Luna. I'm just leaving it in the living room, and they sniff on it. I put their toys around it. They'll figure it out eventually. And then last, but certainly not least, treats. We will have no shortage of treats in this house for some time. I got them these Kitty Cravings Christmas blend. And then Sarah and my brother got them 2 bags. Wellington is a very treat-focused cat. Let's see if I can get him to come here. Do you want a treat, buddy? Ooh. No, he doesn't want one. So that is everything that the boys got for Christmas this year from my family. We celebrated our Christmas last night. And then tonight I'll go to Sarah's house and we'll have Christmas there. And then tomorrow I'm going to my cousin's. But I'll have a video up tomorrow too. But I just wanted to show you what my cats got for Christmas like you do. Oh, and then Luna Dog. I'll show you what I got her. She got one of these. It looks like a baby toy, but it's actually for little dog breeds. And it's called Pipsqueak is the brand or the, she likes it. I guess the line of them. And she loves them. And they're just little enough for her. All right, everybody. Have a good one. I'll talk to you later.